ang Cordilleran Rhythm dito sa Teens Exposed with Sarah. Upo na sa aming hot seat.
Hi, Cordillera! So happy to be here. Thank you for having me as your guest.
Alright, so Sarah, kamusta naman ang life natin dyan?
Well, recently I've been so busy with my work, acad work. Ayun.
Ilang taon ka nang involved sa Cordilleran music?
Actually, ever since I was born, I've been exposed to Cordilleran music already. But I just started getting serious with it when I entered college, which was a year ago.
So, matagal na pala si Miss Sarah, no? So, Sarah, sa opinion mo, what makes Cordilleran music unique?
I would say it's the novelty mismo ng mga instruments na ginagamit. I mean, where in the world or where in the Philippines would you find workshops giving, music lessons with gangsang, gongs, ganyan, tas yung mga tungatong, di ba? Yun, kakaiba talaga siya, unlike the mainstream.
Okay, maraming salamat. Pero wag nating kakalimutan na nandito rin sa Miss Zenas Chapap. Abangan ang kanyang live performance sa pagbabalik ng
Teens Exposed!